To activate a Capital One card and set it up for use, follow these steps. First, ensure you have received your Capital One card in the mail, as this is the first step in the activation process. Once you have your card, go to the Capital One website or mobile app to begin the activation process. You will need to sign in to your account or create a new one if you do not already have an online account with Capital One. If you are creating a new account, you will need to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. After signing in to your account, click on the Activate Card option and follow the prompts to enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You will also need to provide some personal identifying information to verify your identity. Once you have entered all the required information, review it carefully to ensure everything is accurate, then submit it for processing. You will receive a confirmation message once your card has been activated, and you can begin using it immediately. To set up your card for use, you will also need to create a PIN, which can be done online or by calling the phone number on the back of your card. You will need to provide some personal identifying information to verify your identity before you can create a PIN. It is also a good idea to set up account alerts, which can be done online or through the mobile app. These alerts will notify you of any suspicious activity on your account and can help you catch and prevent fraud. Finally, make sure to review the terms and conditions of your card, including the interest rate, fees, and rewards program. This will help you understand how to use your card effectively and get the most out of its benefits. By following these steps, you can easily activate and set up your Capital One card and begin using it to make purchases, pay bills, and earn rewards. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure, and to monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity.